नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 4-20 त्यक्त्वा कर्मफलासंगम. A study by S.L. Abhyankar. The shloka is त्यक्त्वा कर्मफलासंगम नित्यतृप्तो निराश्रयः कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि नैव किंचित् करोति सः. पदच्छेदः त्यक्त्वा कर्मफल आसंगम नित्यतृप्तः निराश्रयः कर्मणि अभिप्रवृत्तः अपि न एव किंचित् करोति सः. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषणम्. कर्मफल आसंगम त्यक्त्वा अपि कर्मणि अभिप्रवृत्तः न एव नित्यतृप्तः निराश्रयः सः किंचित् करोति. नोट the वाक्यांशः 20-3 कर्मणि अभिप्रवृत्तः अपि is adjectival extension to कर्तृपदीयाः in 20-4, that is to नित्यतृप्तः निराश्रयः सः. अभिप्रवृत्तः is कृदन्तः and it becomes appropriate to consider कर्मणि अभिप्रवृत्तः अपि as a distinct वाक्यांश. पदाभ्यास. The vakyam is त्यक्त्वा कर्मफल आसंगम नित्यतृप्तः निराश्रयः कर्मणि अभिप्रवृत्तः अपि न एव किंचित् करोति सः. त्यक्त्वा त्यज धातोः क्त्वान्तं. त्यज त्यजं हानौ, to abandon, to leave, to quit, to let go, to renounce. भुआदिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. कर्मफल आसंगम कर्मफलासंग इति प्रातिपदिकं. नाम पुल्लिंगं द्वितीया एकवचनं. कर्मणः फलम् इति कर्मफलं षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. कर्मफले आसंगः इति कर्मफलासंगः सप्तमी तत्पुरुषः. कर्मणः कर्मन् नाम नपुंसकलिंगं षष्ठी एकवचनं. कर्मन् नाउन कृमनिन् उणादि 4-144. Action, work, deed, execution, performance, duty. It may be either nitya, naimittika or kamya. A specific action, work, a natural or active property. Now I am scrolling the screen slowly so that you can take a snapshot, so that in that snapshot you will not miss those blanked portions which I have not read. But if you are interested, you can note them by taking the snapshot. Asanga, attachment, devotion to any object. Intentness, close application, contact, adherence, clinging. Association, connection, union. Tyaktva karmaphalasangam, same quotation has been mentioned as a reference quotation to explain this word asanga. Karmaphalasanga, association with the fruit or result of action. Nityatruptaha, visheshanam. Atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Nityam truptaha iti nityatruptaha. Avyayi bhava. Nityam, avyayam, always. Truptaha, trup dhatoh ta visheshanam. Trupta, atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Trup, trupang prinane, to satisfy, to be satisfied, to please, to be pleased, both ways. That is karmani, active and passive voice. Both types of meanings are available in this dhatu trup. Divadi, chaturthaganiyah parasmaipadi, sakarmakah, wet. Trup, trupang prinane, to satisfy, to please, swadi. Panchamaganiyah parasmaipadi, sakarmakah, set. Or trup, trupang, truptau, to satisfy, to be satisfied, to please, to be pleased. Tudadi, shashtaganiyah parasmaipadi, sakarmakah, set. Trup, trupang, truptau, to be satisfied, to be happy, to satisfy, to make happy. Sandipane, prinane cha, churadi, dashamaganiyah ubhaypadi, sakarmakah, set. Nityatruptaha, always contented. Nirashraya, nirashraya, visheshanam. Atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Nirvruttaha ashraya yasmat saha bahuvrihi. Nirashraya, non-subservient, one who does not possess a reason which has taken shelter, ashraya, in the means of obtaining the fruit of action. By wishing to do a particular action for a particular result. That is sashraya, and nirashraya, one who does not do that. Karmani, karman, nama, napusakalingam saptami ekvachanam. Abhipravruttah, abhipra plus vrut, ityasya dhatoho, kta visheshanam, abhipravrutta. Atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Abhipravrutta, past participle, engaged or occupied in, with locative. Again, same shloka has been quoted as a reference. Karmanyabhipravrittopi. Api avyayam, even if, also. Na avyayam, not. Eva avyayam, note. Naiva, na eva means not at all. So, although na and eva are independently indeclinables, together also that becomes another indeclinable having the specific meaning naiva, not at all. Kinchit, kim plus chit, anything. Karoti, kru dhatoho lati, that is in present tense, prathama purushaha ekvachanam. Kru, dukrane, karane, to do, to act, to make, tanadi. Ashtamaganiyaha ubhayapadi sakarmakaha anet. Saha tat sarvanama atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Saramshataha, overall meaning. This is taken from translation of Gita Rahasya of Lokmanya Tilak at https://archive.org. You can click this snap so that you can note down this IP address and then check that on your browser. Tyaktva karma phala asangam nityatruptaha nirashraya karmani abhipravruttaha api na eva kinchit karoti saha. The man who, having given up the attachment for the fruit of action, is always happy and nirashraya, that is one who does not possess a reason which has taken shelter, ashraya, in the means of obtaining the fruit of action, by wishing to do a particular action for a particular result, is said to be doing nothing whatsoever, though he may be engrossed in performing actions. Chanda Vishleshanam. Tyaktva karma phalasangam ashtaksharaणि phalasangam etesham matraha eka dve dve nityatrupto nirashraya ashtaksharaणि nirashra etesham matraha eka dve eka कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोपि अष्टाक्षराणि प्रवृत्तो एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे नैव किंचित् करोति सः अष्टाक्षराणि करोति एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दः in 4-20. I have compiled tippanyah, notes of self-study for the 4 shlokas from this one 420 to 423 together and are at shloka 423. So, for the present, Shubhamastu.